Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to take off a bumper. So this is a Lexus, it's a 2019 ES 350, and I think the process is the same for 2017 or 2018 to around 2021. So easy process. So we have clips on the side over here, so we have like 2 or 3 clips on this side that you need to take off, and then same with the other side. There's 2 or 3 more clips on the other side, and then we'll open the trunk, and there's 2 bolts on either side that we need to take out, and I think with that we can be able to just take off the bumper. So follow me as we do this. So these are the clips we need to take out, and for that we need a clip set. So the link for this will be in the description, so check it out. So we'll also have to take off this part over here that's holding the bumper to the fender liner. We also have some clips underneath the car. I'm going to use the same clip remover to just take them out. So what you need to do next is just pull it out all the way to the right side, and with that you'll have your bumper off. So that easy. Thank you for tuning in. See you on the next one.